Hi guys, just a message that I've put a lot of work in splitting all the Arc themes into pieces. So we can select now install just the one we like ArcoLinux Arc, ArcoLinux Blue Git, and so on. So all of these separate themes from Arc can be downloaded one by one, or there is also an arcolinux-meta package. So if we install this one, you get them all in one go. And then you select and you say, okay, this I like. And later on you remember the name, I want to have Orchid. And that's how we're gonna proceed. Now this is the example. We're not gonna go over them since there are no new colors. It's just separate. So it's just some color choices that you can make depending on the wallpaper, on the icons and so on. And the thing is that the other guys will have to go at some point in time. What do I mean by the other guys? If you type ArcoLinux and then Arc, then we have now a lot of choices, right? So these are all colors, still colors. This one stays, but it has nothing actually to do with the creation of a theme. It's coming from papyrus, or was it paper? Well, anyway, it's something else. It's not specifically created by us. And then here are the guys. These guys will go. Those three here, 2021 will go, and I still one more somewhere. Another guy that needs to go to. Oh no, that's here in the middle. All right. So these three will cease to exist. And we'll all split it in pieces basically, and there's a meta package for it if you want to just get them all in one go. And that will be interesting for the next release of our ISO. We'll have no themes on there but the Arc theme, the official one, and you can install any of these colors later on. That will spare us some megabytes and gigabytes. All right, cheers.